Honestly, Patrice Peris Voice Studio is such an amazing place to learn how to sing. I've only been taking lessons there for the past 8 months, and for the past few months I've been taking them online, but I've still learned so much.
'Cause the second I figure it out, he pushes me away.
Whenever I have trouble with the song, Whitney and Patrice always have some sort of strategy to help me out, and with their help, I've gotten into all the places I've auditioned for, which is just really amazing.
Still for you, all I want is love that lasts, is all I want, too much to ask.
Then the people who work there are really nice because they're supportive and it's just a really nice community. So I recommend Patrice Peris Voice Studio to anybody, no matter your age or your experience, because I know you'll have a good time there.